So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need
It's a really nice cosmetic fix with just a few pieces of film, right? Now, I will agree with you that gloss black vinyl would have been a more affordable fix, but in the end, gloss black PPF looks better. It blends in better with the glass. It looks more like paint, and it has the properties of regular PPF in that it's self-healing. That's why we like to use gloss black PPF instead. And it just also speaks to the versatility of gloss black PPF in that it can not only protect a lot of areas, but enhance as well. If you're looking to enhance or protect your ride, reach out, www.carolinasfinestdetailing.com, or call or shoot me a text, 337-319-2889. Thanks for watching.